Many peoples go to famous beaches, but why don't they know this beach? This beach named Nations Beach, in Arabic named Shat al far from Konaitra. The first thing I noticed very clean. This surprised me because very crowded with people. The second thing, if you person love the calm, come early or don't come in Sunday. You know why. The third thing I love it a lot behind you restaurant and cafes, but very expensive. Be careful because if you don't pay money, come with the food. Fourth thing, I hope this beach stay like that. My advice to you: be careful when you want to swim because sometimes very dangerous. So this advice nobody will give you. Don't forget some subscribe and thumbs up. This is help me make video.